Top sellers don't guess. They use JungleScout to spot these golden ticket products fast. Here's how. Now, these products I found within minutes, and they are super niche. And the more niche the product is, potentially the more sales you can generate, especially if it has only 3.6 stars, 32 reviews, and it's making almost $40,000 a month. Have you ever heard of that? Probably not. It'd probably take years to find a product like this if you were just trying to think, what products do I sell? Oh, a horsefly sheet, right? Insane. That's just one of the items. Another one is, you know how when you go golfing, they've got like a little grip on it, on the golf. This one helps you re-grip golf clubs. Never thought of something like that in 1,000 years. $40,000 a month. Only 57 reviews. Completely insane. Let's do this one. A herding ball for dogs. $15,000 a month. Golf club and golf ball little cleaning bag. It's a little bag where you can clean your stuff. Again, $16,000 a month. It just shows like, I'm like, this is crazy. Now, what you want to do is go to JungleScout. There's a link in the description so you can sign up. But they do have a tool called Product Database, and this is where I found them all. Now, I did do something specific to find them. So you can pick a category, right? So what we were doing is I was doing pet supplies. That was one of them. And I did sports and outdoors for another one. But let's do sports and outdoors. And then I did high demand, low competition. And then I did net revenue. I said that I want them to all be making at least $10,000 a month. Like I went high, and I want the reviews to be 50 units sold, minimum 750 a month, right? And I'm going to include the words golf, right? I don't know basketball, so I'm not putting basketball, right? I'm not good at that sport, tried, but we're just going to do golf because I know golf. And now we can find different golf items that have less than 50 reviews or less and are making more than $10,000 a month. Can't beat that. And plus they have a lot of units sold, and that makes a difference as well, right? We can also bring down the units sold. But again, here's that regripping kit that I just showed you via on Amazon. There it is. I found it that quick, right? We could try to find other items here, but I might want to get out of the golf niche. But let's just look. No way. This can't be. It's literally a fan, but what they're calling it is a golf cart fan. Now, I'm not a huge fan of this because I feel like people can compete against this super quickly, right? Like China. But, I mean, they're making a lot of sales. So if you could think of other items that are related to this, that could be a good use. Mini Frisbee. We've got a lot of different items here. I don't know what this is, so we're going to open this up. Destroyer Disc Golf Driver. Fast and Stable Power Driver. I don't know exactly what this is. Maybe that's a big product in the golfing industry. Again, another golf fan. A special swing trainer. If you wanted to make your own swing trainer. This one's making a significant amount of money. It's a special ball, right? And it comes with a special little mitt that you put on your hand. Another item that you can see if you're into golf. And there's more. It's only displaying 50 of 88. But let's go into a whole different category. Let's do office products. And I don't know on the top of my head any office products, so this might just be like a hit. Okay, so we got a lot of printer stuff. Okay, I don't know what this is. Gel for museum exhibits. So this is why this tool is so powerful and actually gets me excited because I do love product research. It's so much fun. But this is gel for museum exhibits. Removable clear exhibit wax for museum collections. Very, very unique. Extremely unique. And I want to see if it's made in the US. Who's it made by? It's made by a Chinese seller. So you want to be aware of this. If you do click on their name, is this made by China? If it is, just be aware that they might be a competitor, but still such a unique item. And if we type in gel for museum exhibits, you can also double check how many competitors there are. This one's not even optimized, right? But we can see again, some other ones that are popping up. Here's the one right here. Again, 53, 100 sold. And again, a lot of them are Chinese competitors, but a great idea. And right now I did look through it. It looks like it's just the first page. So there's not many competitors. And you can change categories, go through these 955 items, go through the filters, try to find other items. Maybe you can do less reviews, 20 reviews, more units sold, right? Try to just change it up and see. But this is really a powerful tool, and it looks like JungleScout is not holding anything back. So that does make it a lot better. Now, if you are stuck on Amazon and you already have a product, we can do a free listing audit. You can just click the description below, go to our website, we'll do a free listing audit for you. And what we do is we go through all of your top competitors, all the top improvements that you need to actually increase your sales. And you're getting it for free by an expert, so win-win. Completely up to you, but that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, finding new products to launch, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. Not only will we help you find products, but we're also going to launch your products, managing your products, ads. We have a design team, counterfeit team to remove counterfeits. We're going to be dealing with Amazon support for you. Most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.